Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by zeroing in on the rights you need. This saves time and money. Check whether your project is commercial or non-commercial, and note platform rules. Once done, identify the exact track metadata, title, composer, publisher, release year, because that points to the right holder. Next, decide the license type you want: exclusive, non-exclusive, sync for video, or mechanical for reproduction. Do this now. It frames every outreach and negotiation you'll do next. Once you have metadata, search performing rights organizations like ASCAP, BMI, and SESAC to find writers and publishers. This tells you who controls composition rights. Then, check the record label or distributor for master recording ownership because you'll need that for the actual audio. If contacts are missing, use publisher databases and industry directories to get direct emails. When you reach out, state exact usage, duration, territory, and budget, clear request speed replies, and reduce back and forth. After contact, negotiate terms. State term length, territory, media, fee, and crediting, then get a signed license before using the track. Once the agreement is signed, verify payment methods and obtain invoice numbers and registration details so platforms won't flag it. If you hit a denial or silence, propose alternatives. A sound-alike, a cover recording, shorter clips, or a royalty split. These often unlock permission. Final tip: if a platform disputes your rights, present the signed license and invoice immediately to resolve it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.